When you used to switch on, all this used to come on, yeah?
Yeah, I think everything.
But now they don't come on.
Yeah.
This keeps falling out, isn't it?
I did get a light, just in case, because I thought if this one's flickering, she may want to change it. You can't sort of try and push customers in there spending money.
Hi there, Delroy from Eastway here. Just arrived at a job. I think it's some bathroom lights that are playing up. So I'm going to get in there, get on with it and see how it goes.
There we go.
Alright, so that's the switch there.
Yeah, and it's got 5 of these ceiling lights. But then it's got these odd... I don't think those have worked for a while.
Alright, they're connected to it as well?
Yeah, but I think they need to get disconnected. Maybe they need to get disconnected because I'm not sure when they work.
Oh, alright, so when you used to switch on, all this used to come on, yeah?
Yeah, I think everything.
But now they don't come on.
Yeah, that's right.
Where's your fuse board? Do you know if anything is tripped or anything?
Oh, hang on.
No, everything seems to be up. Doesn't seem like anything is tripped. And the lights are on this side anyway. I think there's all the lights here. Yeah, the lights are on this side, so. Okay, cool. Let me get some tools and we'll have a look at it, yeah?
Oh.
Right. Seems like a loose connection. Alright, there you go. Loose connection. Alright, just to work, I'm going to switch that off just to be safe. Lighting, lighting doesn't say up or down, so bang, both of them on.
Yeah, brilliant. It's just that I knew it was twice a week.
These boxes aren't the best.
Ourselves.
Oh, they're not. Yeah. Yeah, it was a loose connection in the switch.
Oh, thank you for that.
The cables came loose.
Yeah.
So that's it there.
It's the kids, isn't it?
No, it's not the kids. It's just that sometimes if you don't connect these, you have to make sure your connections are sound.
Oh, okay.
And over the years, they can come loose.
Something, isn't it? I've just bought a bathroom cabinet.
Yeah.
For here, it's got a demister pad, a light, and a shaver socket. Can you fit that at some point? It's going to arrive later this week.
Yes, we will have to get a cable from here down to it.
It'll kind of be like that.
Yeah.
It's quite big. It'll almost fill that whole space. So.
Okay, cool. So, I mean, hopefully we'll be able to pick up a cable from one of these lights.
Well, we've got this cable, because I'll get rid of this line.
Yeah, providing that's connected. Because remember, it's not worth it. It's not working. Did they used to work?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Oh, okay then. So maybe the
I think that bulb's
the lamp's gone. Yeah. So what we'd probably have to do, we'd have to relocate that cable to wherever the entry.
Yeah, I don't know where it's going to be. It has to arrive before I know that.
Yeah.
So yeah, brilliant.
Yeah. No
Is that all right if I give you a ring about
that? Cool. Yeah. What about your fan? Don't your fan work? Or is that a fan? Is that just a vent?
That is a fan. Why isn't that working?
No, that's just the vent.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, hold up. What's inside?
It's connected up to something else.
No,
That should be a fan, shouldn't it?
It looks like something's in there.
I think there's a box. I think there's a box with a fan.
What's the other side here? What's the other side of that?
It's the extract from the...
Up, isn't it?
Behind...
Yeah, it's like... Is this
behind here. Behind the fridge, actually.
Is this a fan?
Yeah, that's a fan. Oh, don't get too close because it's got one of...
Oh! So that's how you work it, by pulling that out?
Yeah.
Okay, what's up here?
That's the...
All right, look, see, that's the vent there, but how does that
so it connects up to a box and then it goes in the joists, I think.
How efficient is that?
I don't know.
I wouldn't have thought so. Anyway, I've never said. Yeah. Oh, that's neat.
Yeah, no, it's always been a bit iffy actually, that.
Yeah. But if you look in it, can you see something
Yeah.
in there? That looks like it was part of a fan or something. Yeah.
Net years.
Yeah. So.
Maybe I'll have to have a relook at that at some point.
It's weird. There's something definitely in there.
These two lights have just gone off.
Have they? Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
Haven't they?
God, these
Oh,
are
one of
quite
them
old.
has.
They're quite old.
Maybe that needs redoing. Is that?
Have you got any beer lamp?
Yeah.
For that? We could try them to see if it's.
That's weird, isn't it? It's like just funny. Keep going off as we stood here. Oh,
What?
that's weird, isn't it?
Could be the lamp.
Oh, that's a funny looking thing,
They're
isn't it?
really these are
That's bad,
quite
isn't it?
old.
Yeah, they are. They'll be about 20 years old.
This don't seem to be holding in. This one keeps going on and off.
Oh.
But I think, you see that?
Yeah.
That's a load of connections there.
Oh, yeah.
So,
Yeah, because they've spurred off.
yeah, I think they need to be either,
Simplified.
yeah, or reconnected better
Well,
to get this.
should we do that when
But-
we're doing the
yeah.
bathroom cabinet?
Yeah, and
Yeah. Fine.
what, you know what?
Yeah. Go on.
I was just going to make it. Why don't you get some new lights? Because these are quite old. This one even isn't holding in properly.
Yeah.
Right.
All right. Well, let's get new lights
You,
then.
I would, yeah.
Right.
These are quite old, and when you look inside, let me just show you,
Yeah.
so you can actually see. And this keeps falling out, isn't it?
Ah, yeah.
Right, because you can see, look, that's all. See that?
Hang on.
Come on.
Oh.
Right, these are all rusty. That tells you that moisture is getting in there somehow.
Yeah.
Don't know. Anyway, but anyway, so got that one.
So yeah, they've got to.
So I got that one in. Yeah, look. If you look in here,
Yeah. I'll put the glasses on. Oh yeah.
you can see. You see burn marks.
Oh,
right?
yeah.
I mean,
They're getting to the end of the.
that's what I would
Yeah,
think. You
fine,
know,
yeah.
that's what I think. And
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Have you got ones that might be good to replace them with? Because you know what ones.
yeah,
You know. Can you tell me what that would be?
yeah.
Or something?
They're not that expensive, these lights. I don't think.
There is one other thing, if you're coming back, which is my
Yeah.
kitchen light, which
Okay. What
I've
was?
failed to sort out.
Okay.
I'll show you in a
let me
minute.
just put this. Get this back in.
Is it? Oh, the spring. Yeah, I don't know.
No, it's not the spring. It's just.
Oh.
Okay, that's
It's
up
not-
there. That's up. Okay.
Oh, lovely. All right. Okay. But that, yeah. Should we just not worry about that one for now and worry
Yeah,
about
let
it
me just. I
later?
want to see. Yeah, I just want to get the right
Yeah.
size hole for it. Tell you what, show me your kitchen light, and then I'll go and get my tape measure just to get a measure of that hole.
There should be strip. There's a strip along there,
Oh,
and
okay.
it doesn't work. And I just need a new one, or I need it to work. So it should be switched off that.
Let's have a look.
We switched off one of them.
A strip where?
It's here. See that?
Oh,
It's an
right.
LED.
Yes. I see that.
Yeah. It's just a bit iffy.
Oh, right. Okay. It just doesn't come on, or does it come on and then go off, or what?
I don't think it's coming on at the moment.
Oh,
I think
okay.
it's the actual strip that might be.
Okay.
But that's something that needs.
Yeah. Okay. So.
Shall I? I need to get a new strip for it.
Okay. Well, let me get a measurement.
help me out
I'll get a
with that?
measurement. And yeah.
That would really help me.
Yeah. Well, we managed to get them working. A little test on your LED
Oh yeah.
strip just to make sure. Because
Go ahead.
if you have it in the bathroom, I've got all the lights working now.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. So I mean.
Come on, let me just give that a wipe.
I made the suggestion of getting new lights, but obviously you don't have to if you don't want to. If you're happy with what you've got. But they should. This should all be in a box anyway. This shouldn't be just like this.
Yeah.
I can't get my tester into that. It's so small. So that's on at the minute, isn't it? Yeah.
One of them's on and one's off.
Yeah.
So I don't know which. No, it's off actually.
This one
is
here?
Off. Oh,
Is that
sorry.
on or is that off? Can't really tell.
This is on, and yet that says.
What does? Oh, hold on.
So the other one's switched on.
Oh, right, okay.
So that.
Right, so that's on. That's on. That should be on. Right, could be this thing here. No. Could be the driver that's gone. Right, so that's nice and tight. Right, getting 240 volts to the switch. You're getting 240 volts going to the switch, but you're not getting anything coming out here. So I'm thinking the driver is gone. I'm getting, I think you're getting about 7 volts, I think. Let me just check again, I can't get this steady. No, that's about 1. No. So there's stuff going in, but nothing coming out this end. So this may have gone.
Yeah.
I'm just thinking.
Yeah.
This may be fine.
Yeah.
But this they just need a new one of these.
Yeah.
That's what I'm
fine.
thinking.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, that'd be great. Getting a new one of those.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because.
And then we know it's dodgy anyway. So if the light still doesn't work, then we'll get a new light. And then once you replace both of those things.
Well, I've never had to replace one of the. I've never had to replace one of these with one. Of the, but what I'm thinking is,
Or is it worth just getting
I'm
both done
thinking
at the
this
same
is probably fine, and that's gone. Or I don't know. It depends how long it is. I'm thinking. I wonder if we fit a new one, then this is going to go, or what. I don't know if it works like that. You know.
Yeah. Is it worth just getting both bits now and then?
Yeah. Well, that way you're covered, aren't you?
Yeah, I think I'd get covered for it because you know. Yeah.
Okay. All right then. So I'll just get a new LED strip and a new driver.
Yeah, lovely.
The complete kit and caboodle.
Yeah, lovely.
Well, that's that. Those light fittings, they're quite old, but if they're working, I suppose they're fine. I think that one that keeps going out may be a loose connection that where they've got all those cables pushed in. So when I come back to do the mirror light, I'll have a look at that. I'll film it next time and let you see. Thanks for watching. Bye.
This is the sort of, it's got a shaver socket, mirror.
Oh, it's got shaver socket, everything integral.
It's got unheated. I think it's got a heated demister pad as well.
All right, okay. Never seen one of these before.
I did say.
So that is gonna go in, I think there. It's gonna go here. Oh God, look at that cable there. I wonder where that goes. Oh, so they're all on permanent. Oh, as I said that one went out.
It went out.
I measured it, it's about 50 wide.
Yeah.
Okay, so if we have that, leave that gap there. I don't know how you want it, this is what I'm just thinking.
Yeah.
And 50 there, so
Yeah,
you've got about
that
9,
seems
so it's centre type
Yeah.
thing. Yeah, and how high do you want it?
About 1 centimetre off the ceiling, I think.
I've turned the lights off for now, yeah?
Yeah, that's fine.
That's not doing anything. It's all good. Well, is it all good? Right, so that is alive. Right, it's a live cable. So that's what's gone on there. What I plan to do, because the mirror is going high here, the flex on the mirror would have been able to come in here. So I was going to put it in this one. Because I was thinking of using Wago's in this or this one here. This one here, but what happens is I'm going to have 4 reds, 4 neutrals and 4 earths, because these are all switch lines all bunched together, so I couldn't do that in here because you only got 3 and all that, so I couldn't really use this, so I opted for this. So the switch line should go there and neutral go there, but I've got 4 switch line. I'm going to have, with this for the light, I'm going to have 4 switch line, so that's why I've had to use this. Okay, so I'm thinking now, because if I brought the lead into here, that would give me 5 of each. So I'm going to try and get it over to here, to that one. She wants to reuse this old light, but look, you're not supposed to have cables, but that's how it's designed. That should be in. I did bring an extra, I did get a light, just in case, because I thought if this one's flickering, she may want to change it. So I got one yesterday, but I'm not going to say anything until, if it's still flickering, I'll tell her that I've got one. It's up to her if she wants to change it. You can't sort of try and push customers into spending money. So I got it just in case. If I need to mention it, I will. If not, I'll just leave it as it is. I just wondered if, I was just thinking, because you had so many cables in there, that's what was causing sort of, and they weren't connected properly or something, that was what was causing it to go on and off. I may still have to get it in here, put 5 in here, I don't know. I'll see how it goes. Right, and the thing is, this light, this should be on the CD, shouldn't it? Because it's a shower room, there's a shower there. So, what do you do? What do you do? This is where we are. That is a dodgy fit-in, not a dodgy connection. So, I'm gonna read the instructions. That's where I'm gonna fix it, that's the height. Only thing I'm worried about is this cable. Hopefully it's not coming up anywhere there.
If not, I've got the old hammer drill there.
To be honest with you, what I like to do is get the first one up, fit the thing, and then measure it, level it up, then drill through it. But if I can't do this because these holes are quite small and I don't want to do any sort of thing. Because when you do it like this, sometimes it can be slightly out. Let me see, where's the rest of them roll plugs? I was going to make a hole here, bring a cable here, because it's no good, because you don't want to do the connection behind, because you're going to have to connect it before you put it up, and it's going to be aggravation. I don't think you got enough space there anyway. So what I'm going to do, first I was thinking chasing up here, but you got this wood here, which runs along here. So I have to make a hole about this far out. So I'm going to make a chase behind here, bring the cable up behind it, and make a chase here, make a hole here for it. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to have to do. Got it up. We've got it up, and this should match up with this old, which was what I was worried about. So sure it is. I'm not sure that it has matched up. Not really happy with this one. I love when things line up properly, but this is, and that screw down the bottom is not that good because, like I said, the wall is soft. What I'm thinking is, should I bring a cable out of here and do a connection in the junction box and push it up there? Or should I bring this into the ceiling over into there? Right, okay, let's go turn this thing off. As a matter of fact, I can turn that off from there. And it's not on an RCD, so it ain't gonna trip if something touches. I can see it up there. That out of the way, bring this one in. Oh, do it again, Paula, do it again. Okay. But the only thing is, Paula,
I hope it doesn't run out of...
that what happens is, I'm just wondering, it doesn't say in the manual whether it needs what they call a permanent light, because this will go on and off with the switch as well. See that?
That's all right.
It won't come on now.
Yeah, well, that's fine.
So you switch that on.
Oh.
Do your hand. Do your hand. Where'd you see this, Paula? Where'd you see that?
I got it from Plum World.
Right.
Plum World. Yeah. I was looking for one that had a light.
Because it's got a shave socket. It's got a shaver socket.
And I think it's got a demister pad.
And it's got USBs.
Yeah, I know. I didn't know it had that.
Yeah,
it's a bit mad, isn't it?
Yeah.
But I think it's got
this you see.
So it's quite a good one, is it?
The thing is, Paula, this is why I'm thinking you need a permanent
because of the
supply.
shaver socket.
Because if you're putting the shaver to charge, you'll have to have the light on.
Yeah.
Right. That's the problem. Because what they've done, I'm not sure. I think they've fed. I don't know if there's a live up here somewhere, but it goes to the switch. That's your new light.
I know what you mean about the shaver socket.
Yeah. That's the light that fitted.
Yeah, brilliant. Thank you.
So,
so what do you think we should do about that? Is it a matter of getting the current from that other lead?
Well, hold up there. Wait there. I think that cable there is a permanent feed. What was here before?
I got someone to put a cable in case I ever got a cabinet put in years ago, 22 years ago.
Oh,
and I'm just
really?
wondering if that's that.
No, see, that's it. I didn't know what that was for. No, that's live.
Yeah.
That's live.
Okay.
So if we swap that with that, this won't come on with the light. But
that's fine.
But the only thing is, I don't know if you'll be able to. See, what's going to happen is if this packs up,
It's either going to be permanent, it's going to maybe permanently on until it gets fixed.
Well,
So
it is then, isn't it?
yes, so
I wonder, is there any way of putting another switch?
well,
Do you know what I mean? Somewhere. But I don't know, like just an isolation switch rather than a switch.
right. Well, you see this.
Could that be on an isolation?
We
Where's
could
that switch
no.
from?
The thing is, I don't know where that's coming from, but you said you got it put in.
I
in
believe that might be why
Right.
it's there.
'Cause
Because it
what-
doesn't have another explanation.
The only
does
thing
it?
I could think of.
And I know I did say something like that.
The
So
only-
I'm just thinking it must have been not on the lights.
Right. The only thing I can think of doing there. It's far enough. It's far away. It's
It could be
the thing
a
is what
toggle switch, couldn't it?
um.
Or is there nowhere to put it?
Because you've only got 3 cables coming from here. It's gonna have to be a switch that you. It's gonna have to be a double pole switch or a fuse neutral because it's gonna mess your. So that means you can have it on and then do that to
Yeah.
get it on,
Yeah.
and then yeah, yeah, because I got gloves on maybe.
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah, so you put a switch so that you can switch it off
Isolation
completely.
switch.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because what I'm thinking of right now, so it must be designed that way. So you take that out,
Yeah.
put it either.
Connect
well,
it
if
up
yeah,
there.
if you do just a connection, then you've got no. You can't really isolate it. It may be better to have, like you said, an
Box
isolation
or something.
switch. Yeah.
Like an isolation connection
Yeah.
or something. That's what you do on a
Yeah,
dishwasher or
yeah.
something in the kitchen, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it. You understand.
Yeah.
So what do you want me to do, Paula?
Yeah.
Put one of those in?
Yeah, please.
Right, I'm going to have to take this down and disconnect that and put it. Okay.
Not
all right.
take the whole thing down.
Yeah, because I've connected it. It just dawned on me. It just dawned on me. I just thought. Yeah.
Should we leave it then?
Well, the thing is.
I mean, it's all right at the moment.
Yeah. So what I'm saying is, if you put something in there to charge, you'll
That's
have to leave the
interesting,
you'll
but
have to leave the
if
lights.
you turn it off and then you turn it off here,
Yeah.
it doesn't go back on, so you have to turn it back
Yeah.
on.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Right. So the thing is, if you've got something in there to charge, you'll have to leave the light switch on. You'll have to leave these
It's
lights
a bit
on.
of a pain, isn't it?
Yeah. So the only way is that's a permanent feed. That's a permanent feed. So the only way is to connect that into
But we'd
that.
have to take the whole thing off again.
No, not take this off. Just
Oh.
that. No, you got me wrong.
Oh, sorry, I thought you
Yeah,
would take
no,
the whole
no,
thing
no.
off again.
Just take this
Oh,
off.
that's all right.
Okay, yeah, I'll do that. Okay, cool.
I was like, oh, I'm not...
Sorry. Just got to use my eye to get this. I had to do a joint here because they weren't long enough. And I couldn't fit the switch here or here. So I just thought, move it out of the way. Join it. That's the best thing. That's the best you can do. I thought I'd fused. I was thinking of putting a double pole switch, but then I thought let's use a fuse spur just in case, because you've got electronic stuff in there. They might go cause a problem, trip or something. So, and I'm going to have to advise them to change their MCB to RCBO. Well, I think there's a spare way on the other side, but you don't really want to put everything on one side, do you, really? Explain to that lady why she needs to change switches to an RCD, and this long in it, they don't understand it, do they? Right, okay, there you go. Let's see if it works now. That's the thing. All right, Paula, here we go. It's permanently on now. I mean, that's permanently fed, but that came on.
Yeah.
Kind of goes off, yeah?
Yeah.
And so now,
Oh, that's great.
yeah, you can
Yeah.
switch it off, yeah?
Yeah, that's great.
Cool, okay.
So that means that anything you charge in there.
Yeah, that can charge. Everything can charge. So, if they want to make do a bit of making good there.
Yeah, that's
This We'll just leave that on the top there.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
'cause,
fine.
right, just
Yeah.
make good that hole.
Yeah.
This light isn't sitting in properly. I don't know.
Is it broken?
Well, it's just last time it was sitting good. Since I took it down to have a look at it and put it back, it's not.
Because it was rusty, wasn't it? The thing. I'm gonna maybe order a new one of them as well, Daryl.
Yeah,
That doesn't
Well.
want to stay.
it's gone back. It's gone back.
All right.
Yeah,
well,
so that's cool. That's all cool.
Thank you. Oh, that looks amazing.
Yeah, okay, you
Yeah.
get it in and do. Yeah,
I was going to stand here doing that.
yeah, you're right. I've never seen that before. Actually, that's good. That's a
It's
good.
quite neat, isn't
Yeah,
it?
yeah, it is neat. New fit in there. There you go. What I got to do is make good around that cable in that hole. We've got holes in here as well, which we can do that in there. And